As you see, we have created a IMS final repository for deploying the application. So we have used the Kubernetes to handle the containers, and we have successfully deployed our IMS final application, which is inventory management system for retailers. So this is the endpoint of our application, and it is running successfully in the port number 30496. So as a retailer, first he will be moved to the home page, and he can register to the application by clicking register. So you will be asked as first name, last name, company name, state, city, pin code, mobile number, email ID, password, and retype password. After entering all these informations, he can submit the registration form. So after successful submission, he will be notified with the email. So let's enter the inputs as first name, last name, company name, and state, city, pin code, phone number, mail ID, and password. So after clicking submit, the user will be notified as we have sent a confirmation mail to a registered email. Please confirm the mail to confirm registration. So a confirmation mail will be received to the retailer. So after confirming the mail, he can log into the application. This is the email ID registered by the retailer, and here we have successfully received a confirmation mail from the application. So after clicking confirm button, so he will be notified as your registration was successful. Now log into your account, which means he is successfully registered to the application. Now he can log into the application by clicking login. So in the login page, he is asked to enter email ID and password. So after validating all these details, he will be redirected to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the retailer, where he can view the products, or he can add the products, or add movements to the products, or he can view the report, or he can update the stock. Let's say we can add a product. So in the add a product page, he is asked to enter the product name and quantity. Let's say I am entering the name as Intel processor, quantity as 150, and submit. So after successful submission, the product added notification will be displayed. So now he can view the products in the product list. In the product list, we can see the list of products that was added. So just now we added Intel processor with quantity 150 with the date. So this is how we can see the list of products, and we can add the moments by clicking the moments. So here we can select a product to move Intel processor, and quantity to move. I'm giving 150, 2 arrows, 3, and submit. So after successful submission, you will be noticed product movement noted, and in below he will be notified with the quantity out and to where the products are moved. So this is how we can add the movements to products. So as you see, the Intel processor quantity in was 150 and quantity out is 150, which means the product is out of stock. So a retailer can know the product is out of stock automatically by receiving mail. So here you can see that warning Intel processor out of stock date. So every time when the product is out of stock, the retailer can know easily without manual calculation. So it will be automatically notified with the email. So by this he can know the out of stock of the products, and he can order new stocks to get rid of the out of stock. The retailer can update the stock by clicking the stock update. So here we can either update a product or delete a product. Let's we can update a product which is quantity has 200 to 300. So now the product AMD Ryzen and its quantity 300 will be updated. So product successfully updated with the quantity 300. Say we now want to delete the product. So by clicking delete button, the retailer will be notified, do you want to permanently delete AMD Ryzen with the product name, and after clicking OK, the product will be deleted successfully. So this is how the retailer can update the stock. The retailer can also view the product report by clicking the report. So in the inventory report he will be listed with the product name, quantity in, quantity out, to, and stock angle. So by this he can know the inventory report, and he can get help from the contact support by clicking the contact support. The contact support, he is asked to enter the name, mobile number, and email id with query. Let's say I'm writing the query as I'm facing issues while logging in. So after entering the query, clicking submit, he will be notified that we have mailed your query to our support team, soon they will reach you. So the retailer's query will be mailed to the contact support team. So here we can see that a query mail has been received. So from this we can know that the retailer name and my email id and contact number and what the query he has. So this is the query he wants to ask to the contact support team. So this will be posted to the contact support team. So this is how he can get help from the contact support. And the retailer can also post his feedback by clicking feedback. In the feedback form, he will be asked some questions. So answering all these questions, he can post his feedback. So submitting the form. After successful submission, he will be notified his feedback was submitted. So this is how the retailer can post his feedback to the application. And we also have the chatbot service, which was provided by the IBM Watson Assistant. And here the retailer can ask the any queries or questions to the chatbot, and chatbot will help the retailer to complete its action. Let's say, welcome to our inventory, how may I help you? So I need to go to the login page. So by clicking login or sign up, it will ask, is there anything else that I can assist you with? So I want to go to login. So please use this link to login. By clicking the link, I can navigate to login page. So it will be very helpful for the retailer for easy navigations and any queries you need to ask to the chatbot. The application we built is fully responsive, so it will be very helpful for the both mobile users and desktop users. So in this way he can know the product details, product movements, and the stuff anything in this page. So this is our project for the retailers for maintaining the inventory in a better way. Thank you.